Baker Hughes is an oilfield services company, about third largest company in the oilfield services, supporting both independent oil companies and national oil companies around the world in 92 different countries. We've got about 55,000 employees with an average revenue somewhere around $15 billion. The creation of complex simulations for the types of work we do in the oilfield services involves simulating the borehole, the downstream, downhole environment, which can be corrosive, high temperature, high pressure, and understanding how those environmental conditions deliver and drive change in our performance characteristics of our tools, our formation evaluation sensors, and all of the capabilities that our customers require and need from us to deliver good logs, surveys, and credible data for what's going on downhole. We're using ANSYS in a number of the complex coupled models around fluids, the interaction of fluids and heat transfer, certainly around cuttings flow, around the bit through the borehole, using the Fluent tool. We're also using the tool in classical thermal stress and stress analysis, obviously a high pressure environment, so using the tool to understand how the stress is affecting life, fatigue of the material, helps us with condition-based maintenance understanding and applying those, that physics of life to the tool's overall repairability. Today, I think the business value with ANSYS and evaluation, and particularly the more complex the simulations are getting, are around reliability of our products. Non-productive time on a rig, on an oil rig today, is in the hundreds of thousands of dollars every time you measure it. And understanding not only what can be done in the product to add feature and performance, but what should be done in the product to design for reliability, to design for manufacturability. All those things that allow you to manage the parametric model from a standpoint of being able to add in all those key functional aspects of those other performance criteria around the product, that's really what's different today. You know, ANSYS and simulations in general are helping Baker Hughes more proactively look at the design process earlier, making decisions earlier, designing more in confidence with a broader level of interdisciplinary talent to answer tough questions much earlier than design. The excitement about simulation earlier in the process is as much about risk mitigation, which sometimes people don't find to be that exciting or interesting, but certainly is driving the business value. Mitigating that risk earlier allows you to put more people on the project. It allows you to deliver the project faster while at the same time keeping one hand on the simulation to look at the sensitivities to error and the sensitivities to changes in the potential boundary conditions, but also the conditions in the environment in which that tool or product might be applied. ANSYS is helping Baker Hughes accomplish its mission by allowing us to try things on the drafting board at a much earlier time. It allows us to combine physics of multiple problems or disciplines earlier in the process, thereby creating an environment of creative evolution.